Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Tips and Tricks. Are you looking for a new way to make money from home? Today I am sharing about best home business ideas for women's hair accessories designer. If you want to make a larger variety of products, you can create a line of hair accessories ranging from small pins to decorative headbands. Making hair bows is a fun hobby, but some people turn this craft into a business. Since bows are meant for children and young adults, there will always be a demand for hair bows. Aside from a talent for making quality bows, you need to do a bit of planning to have a successful business. Decide which type of hair bows you want to market and sell. You can sell hair bows for babies and young girls. Choose where you want to sell your hair bows. Options include opening an online store, selling them on an online auction or marketplace, such as Amazon, Flipkart or eBay. Getting a booth at a local craft shop, selling them at market. Make a name for your business that is unique and descriptive. Buy the materials to make the hair bows from your local craft or hobby supply store or internet wholesale. You will need plain metal bar hair clips, spools of ribbon of different widths and colors, scissors, glue sticks, and a hot glue gun. You can also offer customers the option to embellish their bows with rhinestones or small decals. Develop packaging for your hair bow business, including your shipping materials, shopping bags, and hang tags. You should include your business logo or name on the packaging, as well as your retail receipts and wholesale invoices. Gardening. Gardening is healthy and fulfilling work requiring an element of creativity. People love their gardens, and so decent gardeners will always be in demand. Although gardeners require several tools for their trade, overhead is comparatively low, making gardening a profitable business. Though again, to ensure you get the work, you may have to spend some money on advertising your services. Baking. People love baked items. They have muffins, bread or donuts for breakfast, bread with lunch, a bread or biscuit with dinner, and cookies or cakes for dessert. You can profit from the love of baked goods by baking them and selling them yourself. You can specialize in a specific baked item, such as starting a cookie business, or you can bake a wide range of treats such as cakes, muffins, breads, and more. You can further niche by baking gluten-free or other diet specialty treats. You can consign your baked goods and sell them through a local cafe or shop, or you can sell them direct to consumers through an online bake shop. Do you have a special item you make that others love? Maybe you make jams or preserves. Do you roast your own coffee beans? Can you make chocolate and other confections? If you have an edible item you make that others enjoy, turn it into income. Similar to baked goods, specialty items are in demand. They make great gifts or treats that can be sold through consignment, online, at fairs and farmers markets, and more.